Hey, get from behind the computer. Got damn dog hanging. Come here. Come here. Come here, little dog. You can't be behind my damn computer. Get from behind my computer, little dog. Sit right there. No, you're not getting behind the computer. You're gonna get kicked out. What's going on? My dog is sitting behind my computer and she always sits on the wiring. I don't know why she does that. And my computer cut off while I'm live and being pissed. I don't know why she has to sit behind it. I don't know if it's a warm air coming off of it. I don't know. But she definitely be pissing me off. But the market was moving and grooving. What's going on, everybody? What's going on? Come on in. Come on in. Don't be scared. Say hello. Yeshua Music. What's going on? Let's see. Let's see.
Hello, Mr. H.
What's going on? Man, the market didn't touch the high or the low. Ain't that something? Sheesh. The market ain't really do a lot. Not as much as I thought it would do. I hope everybody had a good trading day today. I know I did. Pretty cool day. Is the music too loud? Let me turn the music down a little bit. Let me turn the music down just a little bit. But yeah, I had a pretty good trading day today, so I cannot complain. There's no complaints here. The open
Setup, especially with that
268.
playing in the background.
Oh, yeah, it makes it easier to trade. You know what I'm saying? You don't want to be too hyped up when you trade. 268. That's 268. 268.00. I'm pretty sure that was 00. Yeah, 268.00. Yeah, I have another screen that I'm gonna put over here. I just haven't put it up yet. What's going on, Jam Monet? How you doing? Yeah, but I have another screen I want to put up. I just haven't found the time to put it up. So yeah, I got one more screen that I want. I got a whole wall over here just empty. So I'm definitely gonna throw something on the wall over there. But yeah, today was a nice trading day. I had a good time trading. With some good money being made. So yeah, I'm more than happy. That's 240. NQ had some good movements. You know what I'm saying? NQ was moving and grooving. This is a 1 hour chart. This is a 1 hour NQ chart that I'm looking at right now. I gotta adjust some of these levels here. Let's see, what's the open? 26.75. So how was y'all trade day today? Did y'all make a lot of money? Did you make a little bit of money? Did you make some lunch money? Did you lose some money? Did you lose some money? Did you overtrade? Did you get a little revenge trading in there because you lost a little bit? You know, how was y'all trading day?
Hey.
Hey, what's going on? How you doing? Come on in and learn about the market. This beautiful market where there's nothing but good vibes and money to be made. Good vibes and money to be made.
I down 100.
Oh, that ain't too bad. Down 100, that ain't bad at all. You could trade micros and get that back. That ain't bad at all. But this whole little gap right here has been played. That has been played, so I'm gonna remove that. That was a nice little zone there though. Paid plenty money, paid plenty. Y'all see this area right here has not been broken above yet. So today you could have got some good bounces off of that area up here.
Trying to make 1,000.
Trying to make 1,000 a day? Is your goal 1,000 a day? Y'all see this area right here? I marked that area off, and you see the market could not get above this area. It did not close above this area. It kept getting pushed back down. That's a good sign.
You know just my eval.
Oh, okay. You need 1,000 to pass the eval. Okay. Let's see if we can find you 1,000. We might be able to find you $1,000. It might be up in here somewhere.
You'll take it.
I know that's right. Let me look at my boy Gold over here. What's Gold doing? Gold ain't really do too much today. My dog is looking at me like he got to go outside. My dog always do this. I literally took him outside right before I went live. And as soon as I sit down at my computer, he's staring in front of me, walking back and forth like he got to go outside. He's not going outside. If he keep bothering me, I'm going to put him in his cage. That's what I'm going to do. He going to go right in his cage. Because I literally just let him outside. So he better suck it up, Buttercup. I think he just likes going outside and running around in the dark. He weird like that. My dog's a little weirdo. Yeah, we got some levels. We got some levels that popped off today. Yeah, that's some nice levels popping off.
How was your Thanksgiving?
Oh, Thanksgiving was awesome. We hung out with family, of course. Went out of town. You know what I'm saying? Good food, good food. $74.3. And then we stayed at the Embassy Suites. And I like Embassy Suites because they have like one of the best breakfasts in the morning. Hey, what's going on, sis? How you doing? Yeah, my dog, he go outside to be trying to chase rabbits. I don't know. He can never catch one. He never catches one. He just runs after them and they dip off into the abyss and he still be trying to chase them. Zeke, what's going on? Did they ever get back with you and figure out what's going on? Not Monica. This was her first hit.
Nope, not yet.
The very first hit she had. Just one of them days.
So sad I didn't go to the concert.
Oh, the Boy Is Mine concert. All right, this level is played out. Oh, for sure, for sure. And congratulations and welcome to the squad. Welcome to the squad. We're gonna get to that bread. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna build that discipline and that confidence. And we're gonna get to the bag. Cause my goal, appreciate that, Zeke. Make sure y'all hit y'all heart me as well to get it the live pushed out there. It helps a lot. Yeah, but we're gonna get it done for sure. And remember, trades, we practice on Saturdays as well. So 12 o'clock Eastern Standard Time on Saturdays. So write down your questions, and we could go over those on Saturday. I try to do as much as I can to help my students really understand trading and become profitable. That's the goal. I mean, I like sitting here with y'all and chopping it up, but what I like more is getting you guys to a profitable area to where you can be consistently making money. That's what we all want to do, right? We want to consistently make money. Yeah, it's a Zoom. Yep, it's Zoom. Yeah, so as much as I enjoy sitting here with y'all and chopping it up, I feel much better if we were chopping it up and y'all were making money. Because that is the goal. If you're not making money, we just hold great conversations, but ain't nobody making money. Like, no, I want y'all to get some bread. I can't be a great instructor if my students ain't making no money.
54 people tap. Let's get a few more people here.
Tap. Let's get it popping.
I made dumb trades today.
Oh, sis. All that money you was making, but you just got to tighten it up. You know what I'm saying? At least you understand you took some bad trades. You got to be patient and take the good ones. The good trades happen. You just got to be patient sometime. Little dog, get away from me. You're not going outside. You little heathen. Little heathen. I get rid of that level. That level's been played. I'm trying to get rid of some of my levels. My dog's staring at me like he just have to go outside right now, which he does not. He better get out my face.
In this group.
Oh, appreciate that. Yeah, there's no need to try to sugarcoat things. There's no need to be gatekeeping anything. Like, if you want to know something,
My dog does that all day.
we gonna tell you and show you, and especially when we go live, when we practice live, you get some real sauce on the Saturdays. Because one of the hardest questions that I could get answered when I was learning how to trade was, how do you know when to click the button? What are you looking for that tells you a trade is going to be more likely in your favor? And that's what we answer when we practice on the weekend. I try my best to answer that question, because when I was learning how to trade, nobody could answer that question for me. Nobody could answer that question. I'm like, how do you know when to click the button? They were like, oh, it's a fill-in. You got to fill the trade. I'm like, that don't make any sense. It happened to be 2 NQ. Thought you was doing MNQ, turned out to be NQ. Ain't that a scary feeling? You be like, oh man, why did I do that? But once again, it's just part of the game. You live and you learn. You learn what not to do. You're like, oh, I ain't gonna do that again. I gotta figure out which one of these evaluations are no longer good. I got evaluations. I don't know which ones are good and which ones are done. Which ones need to be reset.
For sure.
Let me check this one real quick. Tip top towing. I'm gonna take this trade in micros.
Man, I am. In this damn long NQ, I need to spin the block and go into a short wall. I think it's moving too slow tonight.
You need to go into a short. Hold on, NQ. I think if it goes short, it'll be right here. It'll start going short around here.
You can check
So-
the portal mostly. I had to join. I blew 6 evals.
Ooh, blue six evals. That's still beginner. 6 evals ain't bad at all. But yeah, we gonna try to minimize them evals getting toe up. Yeah, but if you're looking for NQ to turn around, I'm looking at this area right here. It'll probably turn around.
LMAO word I blew pa.
Yeah, I blew 6 PAs in one day before.
I've blown 5 haha.
So I know how it feels. I blew 6 PAs in one day. Yeah. Talk about revenge trading. But that was earlier in my career. You know what I'm saying? You definitely start getting that stuff under control.
Payout from 1 still you will be overall plus.
Yeah. If you get a payout from at least 1, it makes up for it. It definitely makes up for it.
I was gonna say we have liquid tea that should be dumb, right? When I started, I blew 51 eval in 1 day long.
51 evals in a day? Yikes. Yikes. 51 in 1 day. What were you doing? At what point did you tell yourself, hey, look, I need to go back to the boards?
Yikes.
51 in a day, yeah.
Full roadrunner.
Hey, you went Joe Montana just.
I thought I was invisible and copy trading.
Oh yeah, that copy trading will get you in trouble. That copy trading will get you in trouble. That's why I don't copy trade a lot of my accounts. Not every day, at least. If I copy trade, it's like 2 or 3 at a time. I no longer copy trade like 5, 6 accounts. That's how I lost 6 accounts. I copy traded a bunch of them, trying to get to that bag, and that's when I realized I just got to calm down. I got to slow it down, cool it down. You got to slow it down. You got to slow it down, baby, because you got to think. This is already fast money, okay? If you could just get $100 a day
Listen, I am learning.
with 5 accounts, that's still $500 a day.
Ooh, watch out.
Watch out. But think about it. If you just did $100 a day and you had 5 accounts, that's 500 in a day.
True.
You don't have to get 500 from one account. You could get 500 collectively. You could get 500 collectively. You don't have to get 500 per account. And trust me, 500 a day average, that's about 120,000 a year. That's about 120,000 a year. If you just did 500 a day, one account, one trade, 5 accounts. Take one trade, get $100. You can duplicate it, or you could just take 2 to 3 trades at $100 each. Did anybody get that trade?
Focus and leave men's alone.
Did anybody get this trade? I literally just told y'all it's gonna go short right here. Did anybody get that short? Mohammed literally said he needed to spin around and go short.
Mr. H.
I said, hey, it'll go short right here. Look at that, short. It made about $100, about 100.
Line is lagging for some reason and it's making me lose. Nope, I was looking at
Look at that GC. Hey, I gave y'all trade already. Mohammed said he needed to go short. I said it most likely going to go short around here. And look at it. It touched that line and started going down.
Definitely called it. Contracts per trade.
It depends on your size, the size of your account. If you have a bigger size account, then you can do more. No, I don't have any take profit. Well, I have 2 take profits. I haven't traded them yet. I got 2 of them.
How about the GC action earlier with Powell crazy?
GC with Powell? I wasn't trading at that time. I was not trading at that time. You said Powell was on there? Yeah, I wasn't trading at that time. I didn't even know. Oh, okay. So this account is still good. I did not know that. I took a trade just because I wanted to see if this account was still able to trade. And apparently it is. Okay, cool. Yeah, but yeah, I literally just called this short and look, it's still going short. Look at that. Look at that trade. Look at that trade.
GC looking slow RN.
Yeah, GC ain't really doing nothing right now.
Move on silver around 7 tonight.
So, yeah. Did anybody get the trade or am I just And I just took a gold micro trade. Look at that. Micros. A quick little $16, $17, nothing crazy.
40 points, 1 candle.
Wow. So Powell at 8 o'clock?
Silver 20.
Oh, I must have missed that. I was chilling. I was watching TV. Look at that short. Ooh wee. Look at that short. I called that thing quick.
Yeah, when GC dipped into the teens, that's when.
Oh yeah, I was not. Yeah, I was watching TV at that time. What's that? What's that? 32 down to 23. 32 down to 23. 32 minus 23. That's 9 times 4 times 5. That is $180. That from here to here is $180. $180 short. $180 short I just called. Now, let's do that math on that 180. $180. If you can average $180 a day, times that by 20 trade days, that is $3,600 a month. If you just average 180 a day, that's $3,600 a month. That's that quick little trade.
When it dipped, and that's when I started losing.
I was on GC when it dipped, and that's when I started. Yeah, that's how it be sometimes. That's how it be sometimes. Hey, what's going on, Jets? What's going on, Jets? How you doing? Yeah, 1 mini. Yeah, Erickson. If you would have took 1 mini, that was $180. Because there's 4 ticks every point. There's 4 ticks in every point. So 1 point of NQ is 4 ticks. So it went down 9. What was that? Like 9. It went down 9 points. 9 times 4 ticks. That's how many ticks you get. Each tick is $5. So each tick is $5. So that was $180 short. And y'all see how fast it happened. I was like, I will go short right here. Boop. Within 5 minutes, you made $180. If you can do that every day for the next 20 days, that's $3,600. You don't have to make big money every time you trade, people. You don't have to make $5,000 every time you click a button. Just try to get 100 per trade. Start there. Just try to get $100 per trade. Build that consistency first. That is the most important part about trading. Because if you make $1,000 Monday, but then you lose $200 Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, what was the point of making $1,000? You done ended the week with a $200 profit. You know what I'm saying? You make $1,000 on Monday, but then you lose $200 every day after that. You ended the week with $200. But I'm over here just getting $100 a day. I'm going to end the week with $500 in one account. You know what I'm saying? So you don't have to rush and try to make a bunch of money every time you click the button. Come here, little dog. You are about to go in your cage because you already went to the bathroom. And look, if you would have sat in that trade, look, it's still going down. Little dog. What's up? Yeah. Yeah, he getting on my nerves because he's trying to go outside. Just running back and forth like he got to go so bad. He literally just went outside. Say hello, everybody. I'm being a spoiled brat. Being a spoiled little brat. My little buddy, he old. He probably do have to go outside. He is like 14 years old, so. But no, Hannibal's 12. Hannibal's 12 years old. So he might have to go to the bathroom. But yeah, today was a good trading day. We made some good money, so I cannot complain. We got that bag today. Yeah, so if you guys are interested in learning how to trade, hey, I'm live at least twice a day. I'm normally here about 2 times a day. You know what I'm saying? You can either learn by just watching the live, or you can become a student and learn even more. Get more support. We do a one-on-one. We can set it all up.
Do we chart on Saturday?
Oh yeah, on Saturday I could go over all that. Anything you need help with, that's what Saturday is for. Saturday we go over a lot of stuff that I don't go over in the course itself. So like there's a lot of levels and a lot of indicators that we go over on Saturdays that are not in the course. But yeah, I could go over charting, how to look at how to mark up your charts, how to find areas of support and resistance, all that stuff. I mean, a lot of that stuff is in the course, but there's still some things that's not in the course that is on the Saturdays. Because I wanted to make sure the course stayed beginner level, and then the Saturday are more advanced strategies. So yeah, it's more advanced strategies on the Saturday sessions. And also the Saturday sessions are there to provide more support outside of just watching videos all day. You know what I'm saying? Like the videos, no matter how great a video is a different thing when you can ask a question right then and there that you might have had during the week. And I can show you examples of how it works and how it doesn't work, when to use it, when not to use it, you know. So that's why I like the Saturday sessions. My first instructor, he actually charged us every Saturday session. I was like, I'm not doing that. I'm not going to charge people every Saturday. Like, that's crazy. Why are you licking my hand? You want something to drink? Want some eggnog? Not Tanisha and Rhonda. He with Tanisha and Rhonda.
I am shocked more PPL don't join the Saturday session.
Yeah, I mean, out of all the students that's in there, you know, I don't know what it is, because I tried to make it on a day where most people are either off work, or at least they could take a little bit of time while they're at work and watch the videos or tune in. But you know, I'm gonna be there regardless. I'm gonna be there regardless. You know what I'm saying? Going over some trades. I just assume if they're not there on Saturday, they're watching the videos after I post them.
Me also.
You gotta go outside, buddy? Let me take him outside real quick, since the market ain't really doing nothing right now. Let me take him outside so he can stop bugging me. All right, I'm back. Yeah, my other dog went to the vet today, and she has arthritis in her back legs, so she old too. She got arthritis in her back leg, so you know, we gotta baby her. She can't jump off the couch. No, it's not cold here. No, not really.
It's like 35 here.
I mean, it's like 45. It's about 45 outside, but 45 is not really that cold. And look at that. Look. It's still going down. It's still going down. It's a slow drop. Hey, what's going on, Mrs. M? How you doing? It's a slow drop, but it's still dropping. Look at it. That was a pretty good trade. What is that? From 32 down to 16. From 32 down to 16. So let's look at it. 32 minus 16 times 4 is 64. Times that by $5 per tick. That is $320. So that short that I told y'all to take right here, if you would have just stayed in there 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes, actually 15. If you would have just stayed in that trade for 15 minutes, you would be up over $300 with one contract. One contract, if you would have just sat in that trade for 15 minutes, you would be up $320 right now. See how that works? You could have got into the trade. You could have got you $100 and been done with it. $100, I'm done. Or if you stayed in the trade, you would have made $300. You know what I'm saying? Either way, it was a profitable trade. You don't have to stay in the trade the whole time. You need to know your trading ability. You know, everybody trades different. You know, your entry might have been a little bit different than mine. But ultimately, that was a pretty good trade. I mean, to make $320 in a matter of 15 minutes. Not too many places you can do that. Not too many places. Because Mrs. M be getting to that bag. That's why. It's easy to be in a good mood when you're making money. Ooh, donut. It's still going down.
At Zeke_Geek, I am sorry, I meant hey Zeke. TPT still playing RN. If you can make what they pay you at work from home, that's a plus.
You know it.
Still dropping.
Let me see what this level is. That is an old level. Let me remove that. That is an old level, so let me take that off of there.
This is I knew what y'all meant.
So I see a nice, I can see it slowing down right here. You could probably take a nice little buy around that area to make a quick 100, 200. I do see the central. Now let me move this down a little bit. I do see the central pivot right here. That's always a good time.
Close, then I'll be in.
So yeah, central pivot is always a good time. You got this little level right here that, you know, watch and see what it does. Divergence was right here. That's what pushed it up, found some divergence in the market. And that also created a swing low. So a 5-minute swing low to me is really not enough juice for me to take a trade. But because it's added with a divergence right here that happened, I think it's going to be a pretty strong level to get a quick 50 bucks, maybe 60. I wouldn't try to get too much more than 50, 60 bucks off of it though. No. NQ has not rolled over to 2.6 yet. At least not on mine. I wouldn't roll them over yet. I normally don't roll it over until the second week. Even if it tells me to roll it over, I normally don't roll it over to the second week. Yeah, it's not telling us to roll over anything yet. So nothing is on there yet. Yeah, NQ don't normally move over till next week. And GC just did it early. There we go. That's still it's a great song, but why were you watching her for so long? That's kind of creepy. He's just a little scared, just a little scared. Man, look at that. Look at that marvelous drop. My God. Let's see what it do. Let's see what it now what it might do. I'm gonna show y'all what it might do. I'm gonna show you what it might do. All right. This is why you got to work on your entry, right? It could go here, it bounce up, it goes down a little bit, and then it starts going back up above it. It could do that move. But I like that level right there. You see how it slowed down? It slowed down right there. If I was in this short, I would get out right here. If I was in that short, this is where I would get out the trade and see what happens. Or I would leave, if you had more than one contract, you could leave a runner to see how much farther down it goes. Yeah, so if I was in this short, that's where I would have got out at. And I will see if it closes. I will see where it closes at before I take another trade. But if you did more than one contract, you could take one contract off right here and leave the other one as a runner to continue down. Yeah, so market structure tells me that it's a strong move down because it's all red. It's a trend to the downside. Now, if one of these would have closed green and then continued down, I feel more safe that it would have bounced off of here. But because it was such a strong move down, I wouldn't have jumped into a trade. I would have just got out of my trade right there and then waited to see where it closes at. But from here down to here was a really good trade. That was a really good trade.
I look up the stock under NQ.
What you look up the stock under NQ? What you mean? What you mean, Mr. Bean? What you talking about, Mr. Bean? NQ is NASDAQ. NQ is NASDAQ.
What is the name?
Oh, y'all see that divergence? Y'all see divergence pop up? Oh, y'all seen that divergence pop up? Look, it's going back up. It's going back up now. Oh, no problem. You're in the right place, Mr. Bean. Y'all see that divergence, right? And it started pushing it back up. Divergence is a really good indicator.
I know I am. Thank you.
All right. All right. All that in the background. The Bad Boy remix. Take that. Take that. Bad Boy. See, right here was divergence. And look at that red line saying, hey, we found some more divergence. Look at it going up. Look at it going up. Ooh, good old divergence, baby. You getting in buys or no? I gave you a buy right there. Divergence popped up. You could have bought it. I like to wait for the closure. We have a minute left on the candlestick. Target filled. That's what I'm talking about.
50 doing. What indicator is that?
That indicator is called divergence. Got a quick $95. Quick $95. That's some good money there, boy. 95 is some good money. It's still going up. Yeah, that indicator was called divergence. If you inbox me indicator, I will send you the link to that indicator. It's a really good indicator. I enjoy it.
At my honey drip.
Can you imagine getting a quick $95 by clicking the button?
Just made 200 down and diversion up.
Hey, that's what I'm talking about. Lord have mercy. There goes my people getting to the bag. I love it. I love it. The bag is here, people. The bag is here.
You already know. Up 400 RN on gold.
Up 400 on gold. Yes, sir. All right, look, it's trying to go back up now. I like it to see what it does when is it going to bounce? Since it didn't bounce up, will it bounce down? That's the question right now. Is it going to go past this level, or is it going to stop and start bouncing back down from that level? Is it going to continue the way down? Oh, thank you, Moneybag. So yeah, that's what we're looking at now. What direction is it going? Is it going to go up here and continue to the downside or no? Yeah. Look at that. It pulled back and now it's going back down again. It didn't come all the way up to here. It tried to get up here. It stopped right there and now it's continuing down. No, with this market structure right here, I would not take a buy. Hell no. Now, with divergence popping up, I'll get a quick 50 to 100 bucks off of divergence, but that's about it. The overall direction has been down.
Divergence still blinking.
This right here was just a pullback. It pulled back a little bit just so it could get some steam to continue down. It just has to get below this area because divergence was right here and divergence is popping up right here again. So it just got to get past this area and then it's probably gonna bounce off the central pivot. So if I would have took two contracts short, I would have took one contract off here and I would have left the other contract to get out right here. I would have just continued down and got out that last contract right here. That's one way of trading. So there's many different strategies. You could have took one contract, got out at $100. You could have took one contract and just got out right here. Or if you do two contracts, you could have took one off here and take another one off here and be done. So on my bigger accounts, I would have did two contracts. I would have took one off here and one off here. My smaller accounts, I would have did one contract, got me $100 and said sayonara. So my smaller accounts, I'm just trying to get 100, 200, bop, bop, get up out of there. My bigger accounts, I'll sit in a trade a little bit longer and chill. Oh, this is my jam right here. Don't say no. Just say yes to the trade. To the trade, people. Say yes to the trade. Oh, Divergence is blinking again.
Hey, Mr. H.
Hey, Roshonda, how you doing?
I love this song. Another beautiful song.
Another one.
I like that you are showing us without talking big numbers. Perfect for us beginners.
Oh, yeah. I don't like talking big numbers. I don't like people thinking that you have to make a whole bunch of money because you don't.
I hit $500 on my Sims account off that Divergence earlier lol.
Hey, that Divergence, man.
86.
That Divergence ain't no joke, I'm trying to tell you.
Same for you. I didn't have the right stop loss and it ran up on me.
Got to have it all in place. But yeah, that was a good trade, man. You learn how to use that Divergence. It's crazy. Oh yeah, we good. We always good, Rashonda. Always fun. Always fun talking to people and making money.
I am still exited. I made $10 from $97 in 3 days.
That's what's up.
Hey, what we doing today?
What's going on, championship trading? We just chilling. 386. I like 380 better. I like 380 better. But you got to understand, this is a big move down. That's a lot of heat. You don't want to just jump into a trade with that big drop. Okay? You have to pay attention to, I don't care what levels I have on here, you still got market structure that you have to pay attention to. Market structure is there for a reason. Market structure is there for a reason. So just be careful when you're buying and selling.
Order submitted.
Just be careful. But yeah, I do like that a little better, but be careful.
I wanted to schedule some time if you can spare it this week.
Yeah, just shoot me a couple times that you're available, and I'll let you know what I have. See what I'm saying?
Are you sure?
See that right there? That's why I want to just jump in, because the market structure is really strong. That's a strong push down. So don't just jump in because you're going to get your head knocked off if you don't know what you're doing. Wait for it to start moving back up before you jump into a trade.
Thanks.
Yeah. When you see all them candles going down, I'm not trying to buy a damn thing. I will wait for a pullback to go shorter. Pull back, go shorter. Pull back, go shorter. That's what I'll be doing right now. Even though Divergence is saying buy, that when Divergence is popping up and you see a big trend down, I will only try to get $50. Divergence, $50. Divergence, $50. But the overall move is down. Now, with that being said, this level right here, that's a different story. That's a VWAP. That's a VWAP level. That's a different story. That VWAP might do something different. You know what I mean? My man said, knock, knock. Oh, I don't like trading on the app. I cannot trade on the app. I cannot trade on the app at all. Not the least bit. Not silk.
Then blew my paw.
Oh man, you blew your PA? No, no. We can't be blowing PAs around here now. I do not condone tearing up your PAs.
Up to 100.
Order filled.
Order filled.
So where do you place your trades? Use the micros, man.
Yes, use the micros.
The one that was up.
When the market is dropping like this, I would wait for it to pull back to this area. I would wait for it to pull back here. You can wait for it to pull back there. I would be wary of the bounce right here, but it still might bounce right there. I feel confident that it'll be a nice little bounce. But when you look at market structure falling like this, that's like trying to catch a falling knife. If you want to buy the market right now, you are trying to catch a falling knife. You try to trade on the NinjaTrader app. Yeah, I entered a trade on an evaluation. Don't take that trade at all. I was just testing something out. I'm just testing something out. Don't take that trade. You know what I'm saying? The ones that I call are the ones that I feel confident. But if I take a trade, it might just be to test something out. I made money there, as you hear. I made money on the trade. So now that I made money on the trade, I'm like, all right, cool. That idea that I had worked. But overall, I'm still down.
I need that sound lol.
The gotcha bitch. All right, it's pulling back up. It's pulling back up. I told you right here. I told y'all it ain't gonna just go past the VWAP.
GC waking up.
Ooh, GC.
What contracts do you go in with?
On my bigger accounts, I'll do 2 to 3 contracts. On my brand new accounts, maybe 1. So that was a good buy right here. That was a good buy right here. It's bouncing back up, but that don't mean it's going to keep going up. That was just a nice opportunity right there. Whoa, look at that. Look how that skipped. You see how that skipped? You see how it closed up here and then it opened all the way down here? That is crazy. Be careful. That means the market is definitely trying to go down. When stuff like that happens, when that little blank space right there, yeah, they trying to push that mug down. You hear me? They trying to push it down. They were so eager to go short. It closed right here and opened up way down here. That is called an institutional gap. Yeah, that was a nice pullback. Nice pullback, go short. Nice pullback, go short. That's what that was. It gave you an opportunity. It pulled back. It gave you an opportunity to go short. That's all. That's all. I just told y'all that's what I would be doing. Go down, pull back, go short. Pull back, go short. That's what y'all should be doing right now. Don't be trying to look and buy nothing. Wait for a good pullback and go short. Learning something. Yeah, if you want to short the market, just wait for a good pullback, then go short. Pull back, then go short. Because when you got market structure saying sayonara, I wouldn't buy a damn thing right now. If you buy something, get $50 and get the hell out of the way. We still got 3 minutes left on this candle. But if it closes below this right here, I'll take a short from there. If it closes below it. Right now, if it does go back up, I would take a short here. I like that short. So whatever levels that you would normally buy from, if it closes on the other end, I will sell from here. I'll sell from here. If it closes below this, I will sell from here. Pull back, sell. Pull back, sell. Pull back, sell. Oh, cheers to you. Yeah, what's the name? He passed away. Stack Major? Stack Major? What's his name? He wrote this song. The same dude that wrote Lollipop with Lil Wayne, he wrote this. If I'm not mistaken. Oh, that's a long name. Bulldog Mark. That's a lot. So, yeah, about that short that I called all the way up here. About that short that I called up here. Whoop. Whoopsie. That was the first trade I called tonight. Was a short up here. And that mug said, I am going down, baby. Damn. Now I ain't gonna lie. That short right here, I would have got out the trade here. I would have got out the trade here. I definitely would have got out the trade here. But it's still going down. But at the end of the day, the first trade was a short right here that I called. So I can count all that drop. That was the call of the night.
Yes.
That's what I'm waiting on this pullback. You waiting on the pullback? Oh yeah, the pullback gonna be nice. Yeah, but that's the one thing about the market. You just gotta be relaxed. You gotta calm. You can't be all hyped up. You know what I'm saying? Ready to get out the trade, get in the trade. Like, you don't want to sit here and take a whole bunch of trades, because you have to pay every time you take a trade. You have to pay commission to that trade. You know what I'm saying? So you don't want to get a habit of taking a whole bunch of trades. My entry for the pullback, if it closed below, I see a nice short here. You can short here or you can short here. All those are good areas to take a short from. You know, you just got to look at the market structure. That's all.
I wish I never had that 14K day. I can't
relax. You got a taste of the good life. Got a taste of the good life. 14,000? That's a lot of money there. Oh, did I not tell y'all where to take a short from? Did I not tell y'all where to take a short from? Okay. Okay, I just wanted to point that out. Just wanted to point it out. He just asked where would he take a pullback. I said right here, and right here. You can take all three if you want. Ooh. Oski woski. Eski weski.
Even today I had a great day.
Welcome aboard the Express. Today you had a great day. Yeah, you had a good day today too. Did anybody get that short that I just called? I literally told y'all where the pullback was and where to take the trade from. Did anybody get that? Somebody? Anybody? Scream! Somebody. Like, he literally just asked where to pull back. I said right here. Take the pullback right there, right here, or right here. Made 1,500 and dipped. Hey, that's what I'm talking about. Yay! Get to the money. Get to the money. Get to the money. I mean, ask and you shall receive.
Just made $300 off that short.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's what I'm talking about. Get to the bag. Cheers to y'all for taking that chance.
Up 500.
Hey, that's what I'm talking about.
Stop loss off.
No, no, do not turn off your stop loss.
I still have to learn how to make a wallet to invest.
Make a what kind of what are you talking about, Mr. Bean? A wallet? What you talking about, cuz? We ain't got no wallets over here. We putting money in our wallet. This is the futures market. You don't need no wallet for the futures market. You just need a prop
I
firm.
think he's talking crypto.
Yeah, he talking crypto. We don't do no crypto over here.
I'm up 700.
Hey, Zeke up 700, baby. Who was that needed $1,000 today?
Invest.
Who was that needed $1,000 today? Because I definitely called 1,000. I told you I was gonna get you $1,000. Who was that needed $1,000?
Score psycho
I literally just gave you 1,000. Did you get it?
underscore deep.
5 steps from taking a short. Who was that said they needed 1,000 to pass the eval? Oh, you missed it. You missed. I gave you the trade. I told you I'm gonna get you 1,000. I told you I'm gonna get you 1,000. I told you to take a short right here. I just called you a short. I just called another short right here.
At Zeke underscore geek, I don't know where to put money to trade.
Let's do the math on that short that I just called. That was at 365.
That's the one I
Went
got.
down to 350. So that's 15 points. That went down 15 points, right? Let's do the math on that. 15 points times 4 ticks per point times that by $5. That was a $300 short.
At Mr. Bean underscore aka underscore psycho.
So if you didn't get the first trade, I just called a $300 short right there.
I am never going to get a payout at this rate.
I'm never going to get a payout at this rate. What are you talking about, Vita? You just made $14,000 total. Why aren't you getting a payout? You know how to trade. For some reason, you just don't be trading your evals like that, your PAs. Because she greedy? Let me stop.
BC ill do good at my avow, but my paw I get dumb. Greedy.
Yeah, you have to pass the eval, and then from an eval, you get a PA account. With a PA account, you can make real money with your PA account. And then after you get that PA account, you keep trading, you get your payouts, and they will move your PA account, which is called a performance account, over to a live account. Once they move it to a live account, you no longer have that limit over your head. You buy that straight to fund it and go crazy. Oh, you passed the eval today. Outstanding. Outstanding for passing that eval. That's what I'm talking about. I wouldn't short there. I'm looking for a short here at the central pivot.
My honey drip word.
I mean, not saying this won't work. It might still work for the short there, but it already shorted right here was the best time to take that short. Now I'm looking forward to take a short here or here. And 3 wishes. He said he was 3 wishes.
And Ty congrats. sang.
They sing, ain't it? See that? That's why I said I wouldn't take it there. I will look at here or here for a short, but this has been played already. Your opportunity for this short was right here. You could have made your money right there, and that's it. Who, me sing? I ain't about to sing.
Pouring his heart out.
So that's the short I will look for, because this short has already been played. Or you could have just bought the market from here also. You could have bought it.
You hear him.
He said, you know.
How you know where to short at?
How do I know where to short at? Anytime you see resistance or support and it closes on the other end, it normally turns into resistance. So once the market closes, once the candlestick closes on the other side, it now changes what was support to resistance. What was resistance is now support.
Order filled.
Order filled. Y'all see that? Order filled. There was $100 right there, off top. Hey, there we go. You can have a piece of my love. Look at it. Look, who got it? Who got it? Yeah, I got it. That's who got it. Did y'all get it? Did y'all get it? I just told y'all where to short at again. That was $130. Well, with two contracts, it was $130. I told you, you could have got a quick $100, man. Did anybody get it?
Your sister got it.
All right. That's what I'm talking about.
Next support. I am up 800 on the night.
Up, Zeke said he up 800. God, dog. Give me my money.
Order filled.
What you trading?
NQ.
_geek. Let me hold something.
That's NQ.
At Davida Simone, I got ya.
There we go. You can have a piece of my love. Is waiting for you. Yeah. We got some more money. Got some more money. Y'all hear the yeah? Y'all hear the yeah? Y'all hear the yeah? Guys, it's not that hard, people. It's really not that hard. I literally just told y'all where to short it from, and it made $100 at least 3 times.
Short?
Yes. I've been telling y'all, look. I've been telling y'all take a short. I've been telling y'all take a short. Look at it. Look at it. I've been telling y'all to take a short. Y'all ain't taking it. Y'all ain't taking no damn shorts. I done told y'all to take a short at this level about 20 minutes ago. We up $120. What's up? Where y'all at? I won't tell y'all to take a trade that I'm not willing to take myself. Okay? Every trade I call out, I'm taking it myself also. I'm just taking it on the side. Yeah. I'm taking the same trades on the side. I won't tell you to do something that I didn't do or I'm not willing to do. So if we lose money, we both losing money. If a trade lose money, we both losing money.
I am up $16.
Outstanding. Hey, that's all right. Cause 16 in micros is 160 in minis. So let's go over the market.
Micros.
Exactly. $16 in micros is 160 in minis. So that's a pretty good trade. Let's look at it. I told y'all to go short right here. Right? I told y'all to go short right here. I told y'all to go short right here. You know what I'm saying? So this was the major trade right there. But then I told you to pull back short. Pull back short. You could have made 300. That was like what? 200 here, another 300 here. Like these are real trades. I told y'all. I'm not telling y'all after the fact. I'm not saying, oh, you could have took a trade here after it happened. I'm telling you before it happened, this is where I would take a trade at. You know what I'm saying? I'm not telling y'all past tense. I'm like, take a trade right here. Like, how many people do you see on live that will say, take a trade right here? Take a trade right here. Like, nobody's doing that.
Going to the Lee now. No one.
You know what I'm saying? Ain't nobody doing that for y'all. They'll sit there and tell you, oh, I'm gonna show you how to make $10,000, but they're not gonna give you they're not giving you an actual trade. Yeah, I be calling them with plenty time for you to look at it yourself, decide if you want to take it or not. You know what I'm saying? I don't be telling you last minute, oh, you could have took it here. I'm like, nah, when it get here, I will take it. Y'all don't take it. I make money, you don't. I'm like, I gave you a trade. Currently living off dividends. Nice. Yeah, well, all them gurus that y'all be talking about, showing y'all how they made $20 million doing this and $50,000 doing this, none of them mugs go live and be like, take a trade right here. take a short here. Take a short there. Wait for the bounce. Take a short there. Ain't nobody telling y'all that shit. They be like, oh, I made $100,000 last week. All right, tell me where to trade at. Huh? What? Huh? They ain't telling you shit. They just talking a bunch of shit. Y'all asked me for 3 trades. I gave y'all a short right here, a short right here, and a short right here. All 3 hit. This one could have passed the eval. Yeah, simple. It's not hard, people. You ain't gotta bust your butt and try to. Is not that difficult, really. Take your time, wait for it to get to your level, and bust a move. That's all you gotta do. Wait for it to go to your level, bust a move. Get your money, get out the way. What if you buy right now? I don't know. I didn't call a trade because I don't believe it's a trade right now. But if you want to buy it right now, that's up to you. I just don't see a trade right now. You know what I'm saying? I'm not the end all be all. You might see a trade that I don't see. The next trade I will look for is a short from here. I will look for a short from there. That's it. At least that's all I see.
Do you do lessons?
I sure do. I have a whole course right here. MHT Academy is my course. And my course is not like I'm charging $10,000. My course is not even that expensive. Relax, people. Relax, people. I'm not here to break your pockets. Whether you buy the course or not, that is up to you. I'm just letting you know what I have.
Oh, okay, lol. I can't read LMAO.
So why not buy until that area? Because I didn't even say buy at that area. I said I wouldn't do anything unless it got up to here. I might sell it, but if it goes past it and closes, I will buy it from there. But I don't see a trade in this area. I don't see a trade. I already called a short from here. That short made about $200. I don't see another trade right now.
MHTacademy.com.
Let them know, Zeke. Hey, what's going on, Prolific? How you doing?
OL Boy was on YoSSA this morning. Show me your degree.
Yeah. He wanted to see my engineering degree. I was like, what is that going to prove? Show me your degree so I know that you can trade. I'm like, not sure what that has anything to do with it. Let's chill. Let's chill. Let's settle down.
LMFAO, not a damn thing.
Not a damn thing. The fact that I could give you an actual trade live and give you plenty time to take the trade or not, that's my proof that I could trade.
OL boy got that Uncle Phil treatment today.
Got tossed out 3 times. He created a whole nother page just to come back and be like, y'all kick me out again? Pew, get out of here. Why y'all keep kicking me out? I was like, you got one time to kick me out your damn live, and that you ain't never seeing me again. You ain't got to worry about me coming back talking about I'm still alive. I'm still alive. Doop doop doop. If you don't get your ass up out of here. He came back just to be like, I'm still here. I was like, well, people weird as hell. You got one time to kick me out. I ain't never coming back in your live.
Like 6 moderators. What is this gonna get him?
Yeah.
I should have bet going up. It always baffles me when people are so negative first thing in the morning.
It was too early.
I said I wasn't done talking. What did I miss?
I ain't done talking yet.
Mrs. M. Tax.
Show me your tax return. What's going on, one in the building? One stepped in the building. What's going on, brother? Hey, Iggy, I told you, if you see a trade, take a trade. I was just letting you know I don't see a trade there.
Man, I missed my
But if you see a trade, take a trade. You know what I'm saying? I just didn't feel confident to call it out because I ain't about to call something that I wouldn't take.
My phone broke, you lucky. All right now, Avant.
Yeah, Avant chilling. He said, I can read your mind. I can read the market. I know what it's thinking.
Asking brother learning as we go.
Oh yeah, that's what I'm saying. If you felt a good reason to take a buy there, by all means, take that buy. Don't let me change your idea of what the market about to do. You know what I'm saying? I just didn't see anything that I would personally take. And that's why I said if I was to trade, I would look at this area to take a trade. But that don't mean you were wrong. You know what I'm saying? If you see a trade that I don't, by all means, there's so many reasons to take trades. There's so many reasons. But yeah, I didn't call this short from here. And then I called a short from here. And I called the original short from here. And it went all the way down to here. So from here to here, that was probably about 200. From here to here, that was about 300. And from here all the way down to here, past the count. You could have passed the eval.
That first short made me some money.
Yeah, that first short, I wish I would have stayed in that shit. I wish I would have stayed in it, and I called it. I called it. I told you, hey, look, I got about 200 and I got up out of there. Because once again, even though I knew it was a good short, my target is 200. Once I got my target, I'm up out of there. I don't really care where it went. As long as I took a trade, I got my target, I'm out. You know what I'm saying?
I need one of those shorts for my cash account.
Oh yeah, that would have been nice.
Failing the consistency rule.
Yes, this definitely would have messed up your consistency rule. That was a crazy drop. Consistency rule, toe up. You will not get a payout, sir. You will not get a payout. In my BED.
Stay in trades that long. I mean, you got the bag though.
Don't be scared. Don't be scared. But see, that's why you take trades in micros, because in micros you could sit in a micro trade a lot longer. You can sit in a micro trade and chill. You know what I'm saying? Micros are there to get you used to sitting in a trade longer and hanging out and seeing where it actually goes. That's the whole purpose of micros. Micros is not there to make a bunch of money. Micros is to get you comfortable with sitting in a trade a little bit longer. I hope y'all got that short, because I mean, I'm gonna stop giving y'all trades if y'all not gonna take the damn trade now. Just taste the soup. Just click the button. Please tell me. Did I not tell y'all where to trade at again?
Short.
Again, I told y'all where to take the short at. Again, I told y'all where to take the short at. Did y'all not take the short? Did y'all not take the short?
Got it.
Just take the short. Just click the button.
Did you take it as well?
Hell yeah, I'm in it right now. Y'all heard that? Cha-ching, cha-ching. Yeah. I'm not going to tell you to take something that I'm not taking myself.
ITTT.
I'm not going to tell y'all to take a trade I'm not taking myself. Come on, people. I ain't giving y'all no more damn trades. Yeah.
Trying longs at man nice.
Oh, the baby was crying. Oh, man.
Y'all need to listen to.
Oh, sorry you missed that, Iggy. I told you what hey, I gave you a good trade. All right. Kate, please tell me you got that trade, Kate.
Hey, Mr. H, it's been a minute. How it's been?
Hey, how you doing? What's up? Hey, it's Kate. Are you still here? Please tell me you got that trade.
I wish I had those problems, lol. It was amazing. I tried to hurry.
Don't worry. I'm live twice a day. You'll get another one. Oh, gold is going short. Let's look at gold. Oh yeah, gold moving down. Nice gold moving down.
That hit 940 with the quickness.
With the quickness.
Getting out.
With the
I'm on
quickness.
short 3 micros gold.
Nice.
Rise, hey girly.
Hey, it's Kate. Did you get that short? You said you need $1,000.
Hit skate underscore. Did you get the trade?
I didn't give you more than $1,000 now. I did it for you. I did it for you. As soon as I got live, Kate said I need $1,000.
Yep, I got proof.
Did I call $1,000? Ask and you shall receive.
50K account.
Oh, you need 1,000, Ig? I mean, that trade was pretty big. That was from 503 all the way down to 86. 403 down to 386.
Yep, did 1,200 with those 2 shorts you called.
Hey, that's what I'm talking about. Absolutely love it. Absolutely love it.
That one loss.
Hey, I didn't call well over 2,000 tonight. I'm done. I am famished. I am famished. Okay. Look at Zeke. Zeke was like, ooh, look at the time. Zeke said, I done got my bag. I will see y'all tomorrow. Ooh, he hit that thing, did it? That man said, ooh, 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 ooh. He hit that thing, boy. All right, Zeke. See you later, man. I'll be back tomorrow. You know it. We'll be back here tomorrow for sure. I got a couple more minutes in here. You know what I'm saying?
Can we copy trade evals?
You sure can copy trade evals. You sure can. When I got my very first evaluation passed,
Epic night.
I immediately got a payout and bought 5 evals. And I copy traded all 5 and got them all passed the same time.
Tomorrow? Lol.
Same time tomorrow.
where you got in, or are you getting another sell?
You mean up here or up here?
Nice. I am still trying to pass this one. I lost 7 accounts already, SMH.
Damn, 7 accounts.
This is M piece. 405.
I don't normally like taking more than one trade at a certain level. I mean, it might bounce off it again, you know what I'm saying? But every time it touches a level, that level gets weaker and weaker. So, you know, you gotta take your judgment. You know, you gotta make the judgment call on that. The reason why I felt confident with this one was because once it went below, it closed, and the next time it came back up, it was a nice short. Yeah, that's what I did when I got my very first payout. I bought 5 evals and I copy traded all 5. Every trade I took, I duplicated on all 5 accounts, and I passed them within like 2 weeks. So I went from 1 account to 6 accounts in like 2 weeks. Oh, I mean, there's no rush to take a trade. You know, take a trade when you feel confident and comfortable with trading. Oh, you got a 50K account? You got that 50K, that big 50 bag?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, just take your time. You know, I wouldn't try to pass a 50K eval until I made 3,000 in simulation at least 2 times. At least 2 times. I would try to get 3,000 in my eval at least 2 times before I try to pass, my sim. I would try to make 3,000 at least twice in a sim account before I try to pass an eval. That's what I did. But I had a 25K, so I made 1,500 twice without losing 1,500. I ain't pocket watching. I just know if you got an account and you need to make 3,000, it's a 50K. That's just math. Now, pocket watching was earlier today when old boy asked to see my P&L. I'm like, why? Why? What does that mean? Why do you even want to see that? I was like, why do you need to see my P&L? That does not tell you if I'm a good instructor or not. Because I know plenty of people that are amazing traders but horrible instructors. They'll make $2,000 in 10 minutes, but can't teach you how to make a penny because they're horrible instructors.
But you show your students so they should join. They think they're entitled to it.
Yeah, like as I said, I know people that can trade very well, but they can't teach a damn thing. So showing somebody how much money I make does not mean I can teach or can teach. Like that doesn't tell you anything. That just tell you I can trade, but that don't mean I can teach.
Dollar.
You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I know how to trade. That's one thing that is a fact. I know how to trade. You know what I'm saying? I'm not here to prove I know how to trade. My goal is I can teach you how to do the same thing that I do. That's why I go live and I actually give you trades. You know what I'm saying? I'll give you trades. It doesn't matter to me. I'm going to make money regardless. You know what I'm saying? Whether people become students or not, whether you take the trade that I give you, it doesn't matter because I'm going to take the trade. I took just about every trade I gave y'all. I may not have stayed in the trade as long, but every trade that I gave you, I've taken it. My first trade course that I paid for was $1,500. I literally got a credit card just to pay for that course. I literally took out a credit card to pay for my first trading course because I was like, I'm not going to teach myself. That's one thing I'm not going to do. I'm not going to teach I'm not the type of person that be like, I could learn, I could teach myself. No, I can't. I'm quick to pay somebody. You know how to do AI? Here, I'll pay you to teach me how to do AI.
Which is your course?
Because the AI course that I take right now, I was like, I'll pay for that AI course. Teach me AI. My course, if you use discount code TT Live, my course is only $500. And not only is it $500, but you can use Afterpay and Klarna. You can use Afterpay and Klarna. But yeah, I'm not the type of person that I don't even want to try to teach myself anything. Because the time you're going to spend trying to watch a bunch of videos for free, the time you're going to spend trying to watch this and read this book and trying to figure out this and that, you could have just paid somebody and learned that shit in half the time. Like,
Me as well.
to me, time is way more important than money. So I'd rather spend the money to learn something a lot faster than try to save a couple bucks to learn it for free. Because it's just gonna take me way too long to learn it for free. You know how many videos are on damn YouTube? There's too many videos on YouTube talk about trading, and everybody trade different. So you listen to this person, listen to that person, listen to this person, you'll never become profitable because you're trying to listen to too many damn people. You know what I'm saying? And I'm not saying you have to get my course. You just need to pick somebody that you feel as though is a good trader and that can teach you, and you need to stick with that person. You know what I'm saying? Jumping around to a bunch of different people is not going to help you anymore.
Confused as hell law.
You're just confused. Just pick one person that you feel as though is going to be there to teach you and pick that person. You know what I'm saying? And then once you pick that one, then you could find other instructors after you get consistent and you start making money. Then you could find other instructors if you want to. I've had 3 instructors myself, but I had one at a time. I paid the first one. I learned what I had to learn. I paid my second one. I learned what I had to learn. And I kind of balled their strategies into crafting my own strategy. You know what I'm saying? I crafted my own strategies based off of what I learned. But I got friends that was like, I'm not going to buy. I told them what class I had. I have friends that was like, I could teach myself. Guess what? They still trying to figure it out. They still trying to figure it out.
Make a list of things you want out of that course.
Exactly. And my course is a wealth course. I have way more in my course than just trading. I have a mini course teaching you about being an affiliate on TikTok. I have an ebook that teach you about Amazon. I have so many other things that will help you make money. Because wealth is not a one-trick pony. You can't always just do one thing and reach the level of wealth that you want to reach. You have to do different things. Hey, what's going on, Chase? Pass the eval. Outstanding. Pass that eval today.
Hell yes. Haha.
You're not gonna give up on trading? That's what's up. Don't give up on trading. Just focus. That's all.
Twice already, 2019 and 2021.
Oh man, I started in 2019.
My song.
Well, 2019 is when I started the futures market. I started the futures market in
There
2019.
was a coupon for Cyber Monday for your course.
Cyber Monday, of course.
Gold.
Of course, inbox me. I'll send you a Cyber Monday discount. I have no problem doing that. Hey, Nails, what's going on? Now, this is NQ.
Paid off in 9 days and going to do this full time. I came to USA 2016.
Oh, really?
No English.
Wow. So you should be able to learn how to trade in no time then. If you learn how to speak a whole language, hell, trading is a whole nother language. You'll be fine. You will be fine.
At Gene Wilson, Alexis, oh wow.
That's outstanding.
That drop was coming sooner than later.
Hey, Nails, I called this whole drop.
I will.
I called this whole drop about 10, 15 minutes before it happened. I called this whole damn drop.
Try to get that song.
Oh, this was something right here.
And I am good. Hope you enjoyed your Thanksgiving.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. Thanksgiving was outstanding. Hope you enjoyed yours too.
At mrs.m.
Yeah, but if with my course, you can go through Afterpay or Klarna and you'll pay as low as $48 a month. You know what I'm saying? So it's not like I'm like, oh, you got to pay $500, $600 up front. You could use Afterpay or Klarna. You know what I'm saying? You get approved through Afterpay or Klarna. You're looking at as low as $48 a month while you're learning how to trade. When you're learning a skill that is going to make you money for the rest of your life. It's not like you're going to pay money, learn how to trade, and you're going to forget next week. You know what I'm saying? Once you learn this skill set, it is yours forever. Forever. It is yours forever. You can always trade. You can teach your kids how to trade. You can teach your granny how to trade. You can teach your cousins how to trade. Once you learn this skill set, it is yours. And for all my students, I also have an affiliate program. So if you know people that's like, man, I want to learn how to trade, you could become an affiliate, send them your affiliate link, and you will make 20% of whatever they spent. So I share the wealth. And then some of the proceeds from my course go to St. Jude. So I give charity to St. Jude based off of the money that I make from the trade course. So St. Jude gets some of my trade money, and then my students can become affiliates, and they can make 20% off of everybody that buys the course through their link. So I share the wealth. I really don't care. You know what I'm saying? Like, no matter what happens, I'm just fine trading. Yes, you got to have that mindset. You got to have that discipline. But the opportunity is there, people. Oh yeah, I've been giving to St. Jude since I was in the military. Because every penny goes towards the family and the kids. To make sure that they try to get a cure, try to get better. Or if they don't, they try to make it comfortable for them. Oh, it's fun once it becomes full time. It's fun. Because in your road to becoming full time, you don't have to. Once again, you don't have to make $10,000. You could just make $100 a day and be chilling. Grandma Shirley used to what? What grandma used to do? Moo Moo and Robin Hood? I don't even know what Moo Moo is.
Was my most profitable month trading, by the way. S.O. that course law.
Hey. She said last month was the most profitable. Hot damn. Oh yeah, that's where I get it from. That's where I get it from, because grandma always gave the St. Jude.
It's a broker.
Oh, Moo Moo is a broker. When I did options, I used Robinhood and Webull. But this is NinjaTrader. I trade the futures market. This is NinjaTrader right here.
Y'all, it's new one.
Do I give signals in Discord? No, I don't give signals in Discord. But I didn't gave out about $1,000 live tonight. So instead of signals, I literally told people where to buy and sell and when to do it. Oh, you got two Grandma Shirleys and an Aunt Shirley. Wow. Yeah, but not only I don't give signals, but I literally gave 3 trades tonight that hit pretty smoothly. Let's go over the trades that I gave. I gave a short right here. I gave a short right here. I gave this little short down here. And I gave this short right here. So I call that short. I call this short. I call this big ass short. And I call this short. So I've given plenty trades tonight. So you don't need signals. You don't need signals. You pop up here on my live, I'll probably give you enough trades to pass an eval. Your Grandma Shirley too? Wow. We got a lot of Grandma Shirleys in here.
And it's still going short.
Yeah, it's still going short.
At tall, dark, and lol. Lol.
Yeah, so I called several trades tonight. So
Miss her.
of course. But you know, my grandma and my grandfather's still alive. You know what I'm saying? Like my grandma was like what, 80 something in her 80s when she passed away. My grandfather in his 90s.
I need to call you and tell you what Dad posted on FB.
Oh, I seen what he posted. I didn't know how to feel about that, honestly. But the cool thing about it, I was able to meet my great grandmother. I was able to meet my great grandmother before she passed away. I was 5. I want to say I was 5 when I met her. But I met my great grandmother. Not great grandmother. Great. 2 greats. Great
My
grandmother.
gone, but my mom's sister Shirley is alive. At Davida Simone, what Dad post?
Like my great grandmother. I thought, like, as a kid, I didn't realize how that, you know, like the different, how that was really. But as I got older, I was like, how many people meet their great grandparent? Like, she was in her 90s when I was 5. You know what I'm saying? Like, so think about 90 years before 86 is when she was born. Like, what? She was born like 1890. Like, what the hell? She was born like 1890. 1890 is when she was born, and I met her. I was 5. Like, that's crazy. My great grandmother passed away.
When I was under 5.
Yeah. So my great grandmother didn't pass. She passed away like 2015, 2016. My great grandmother, and she was in her 90s. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I actually met my great grandmother. She was born right after slavery was ended, pretty much. Like, pretty much. Slavery ended like what, 1860, 1870 something. She was born in 1890. So yeah, she's seen a lot.
She lived a long life, hard hands.
Yeah, long life.
1865.
Yeah, 1865, yeah. Yep, 1865, and she was born 1890s. So, was that 25 years later she was born? And trust me, it was still tough because she lived in Alabama. She lived in Alabama that whole time. I was like, Lord. To be born in Alabama in 1890. That's crazy. But yeah, but my son able to meet his great grandfather. You know what I'm saying? So I think that's cool. But also remember, back then they had kids real early.
She was born 100 years before me, dang.
Wow.
Mississippi, Alabama, worst place to leave.
Yeah.
Life, I am sure.
Yeah.
During the time.
To be born in Alabama around that time, yeah, it's definitely hard.
What's going on?
Like my great grandmother was alive the same time Harriet Tubman was alive. like Harriet Tubman passed away in 1913. My great grandmother was in her 20s. My great grandmother was in her 20s when Harriet Tubman passed away. Like, what? Do you understand how long ago that was? My great-great-grandmother was in her 20s when Harriet Tubman passed away. Underground Railroad. History is not that long ago. Y'all got to think about that. Think about your grandparents, your great-grandparents, your great-great-grandparents. Like, that's not that long ago at all. But yeah, I love it. I'm a historic. I like history anyway. That's why I did my African ancestry, just so I can have an idea of where we're actually from. Yeah, I like all that stuff. I haven't done my grandmother's side. I did my grandfather's side, like the men. So I tracked where my grandfather was from, but I haven't tracked where my grandmother's side's from. So that's what I want to do next. The matriarch, is it patriarch? Matriarch. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna do next. I'm gonna trace grandma.
It was no airplanes 100 years ago.
None. None. Yeah, because the Wright brothers was like 1900 or something like that. So like 1900, I think that was like the Wright brothers. Being in Carolina, you know, we hear plenty about that. Because on the base that I was at, they called it. We had a the cafeteria was called Kitty Hawk, which is where, you know, the first airplane or whatever, and that was in the 1900s, early 1900s. So yeah, to go from no airplanes in the sky to actually seeing airplanes flying, yeah, that's a long time to live.
My great-grandmother passed away. She was 103, and Oklahoma didn't have a record because not state.
Wow, 103. That's outstanding. That's a long time to live, people. That's a long time to live.
How do you copy trade?
How do you copy trade? It's several ways to do it. You can have
Great-grandma was 120.
Dang, 120. Good Lord. Yeah, I seen a picture on the wall. She's like the oldest person to record in South Carolina.
Lol.
Copy trade, I use this right here.
120 is wild. How you forgot that lol?
I use this right here.
They are different and live.
This is Replicanto. That's what I use for copy trading. That's one way of doing it. Rhythmic has a built-in copy trader also. I don't know how good it is, but Rhythmic does have a built-in copy trader. But I use Replicano. Replicano is a one-time purchase. Yeah, they definitely live different. Definitely live different.
Zeke, you are still here, lol. At LV 888 I am like what? How much?
Yeah, Zeke just be chilling. That one is, I want to say is 140. I think it's 100. I think it's 140. Let me pull it up. I can pull it up for you.
The reason they lived so long because the food was real. One-time purchase and yearly maintenance.
Oh yeah, that's right. They got that yearly maintenance thing now.
169.
Yeah, so it's 169, but I have a discount code. So if you use Mr. H Trades discount code, it gives you 20% off. So I get you a 20% off discount. Is Mr. H Trades, but it's Replicanto right here. Go to Replicanto or Flowbots. Flowbots is the actual website. So you go to Flowbots, and when you buy it, you could type in code Mr. H Trades, and you'll get 20% off.
I am in the bed chilling.
he reclining.
Just here chilling. Shut my computer. Okay, oh wait, I pass my eval and get a payout.
Yeah, trades. You don't have to worry about copy trader just yet. You don't have to worry about it just yet.
Saluting face, need to get my copier. About that time.
Gabe, what's going on? Yes, it's about time. Now you have a couple accounts. You should get a copier.
Discount done tomorrow.
Yes, Apex discount. Bullinox discount is done also soon. So hopefully they do another discount. Stocks or crypto? This is futures market.
Doing everything in my power.
Oh no, Apex, there's a right now there's a I think it's an $85 activation fee if you pass your eval. Date? I'd rather make money.
I missed trading this morning. Been a crazy day. Got my accounts resetting tonight.
Ooh, new accounts. Ooh. Yeah, 1 day pass. Yep. Yep, 1 day pass. I love when I ain't gonna lie, I get hyped when my accounts reset. I'm like, oh, I'm about to go ham on it. I'm about to throw a couple Hail Marys.
Did someone say more ACCS? Apex gonna make me smack the candlestick out of them with these 80% evals.
They need to get that 90 and stop playing. Go and give me the 90. Go and give me the 90. I didn't call no gold.
Impenetrable or not for free.
I ain't call no gold. Take Profit Trader. Take Profit Trader. If you pass a Take Profit Trader account, you don't have to pay an activation fee. So Take Profit Trader right now is a 30% discount. Once you pass the eval, you don't have to pay an activation fee. And once you get a payout, they will give you your money that you spent for the account. They'll give it back to you. Hut 1, Hut 2. You know it. Yeah, but Take Profit Trader, if you use the code Mr. H Trades, you get 30% off. There's no activation fee either. Oh, you got 3? Ooh, yeah, Lilu need to get Tradeovate. Hell yeah. That's what I'm talking about.
Where did I get this word impenetrable?
I don't know. Where'd you get that word from? What is impenetrable?
Yeah, I am about to get reload this week cause Apex playing. At Davida Simone Facts, heavy on those two with them sales too. It's coming soon.
Yeah, they need to go and get that.
What's Tradeovate?
Tradeovate is just the data, Vita. So you have Rhythmic, and then you have Tradeovate as data. I think you have Bullinox. I mean, you have a Bullinox account in Lilu, right? Or do you just have Lilu accounts? Because you're right now you're probably on Rhythmic.
At Mrs. M should have BENNN on the Lilo. Apex been playing round walls.
See, the way I got mine set up, I can log into multiple Rhythmic accounts. So I can log into all my Rhythmic accounts.
I have both.
Oh, you got. So yeah, so if you had Apex, you could get an Apex under Tradeovate. But see, I can log into 2 Rhythmics at the same time. So yeah, I can log into 2 Rhythmics at the same time. Most people can't. Yeah, the market just stopped. The market stopped.
They're gonna email them on Wednesday. See, Rhythmic is trapping for me. At Davida Simone oh dang, I kept blowing paw, then told myself I can't keep wasting money like that. Tripping.
Yeah, I'm telling y'all don't want to be tearing up your evals. Don't tear up your evals. Don't tear up your PAs. Take your time trading. All right. If you got a 25K account and you can do $100 a day average, it's going to take you 16 days to get a payout. That's not long, people. That's not long at all. That's the thing about it. If you can do $100 a day, it would take on a 25K account, it would take you 15 days to pass and 16 days to get a payout. But if you keep on trading and trying to make a whole bunch of money, it's going to take you even longer just to get a payout because you keep making money, losing money, making money, losing money. You got to make money, lose money.
Yes,
make money, lose money. You know what I'm saying? You have to make more money than you lose, people. And you have to set a target. $200, get your ass out the market. If your target is $100, get 100, get your ass out the market. All right. I know all my students can place a trade and get $100. But if you're not getting payouts, that's because you're trying to make more than $100. And you probably haven't tried and found your average yet. If you do not know what your average is, you should not be trying to make more than $100 per trade. You must find your average. Because your average, if your average is more than 100, then that's when you try to make more than 100. You know what I'm saying? That is the secret to being a profitable trader. You set a target, you set a goal. Once you hit that goal, you stop trading.
I love Jagged Edge.
Yes, Jagged Edge is definitely a good group. He said he felt like he walked out of heaven. Okay.
At Gabby Honest Abe, yes, that's true.
But yeah, if you don't know what your average per trade, okay, average per trade, APT, average per trade, you need to figure out what your average per trade is. Because if you don't know what your average is, you are literally just guessing. You're guessing and you're hoping you make money. You don't get consistent by hoping and praying you make money. You must find your average and trade your average.
Oh dang, I ain't trying to walk out of heaven. What's my alternative?
I ain't trying to walk out of heaven. I ain't trying to walk out of heaven. Damn.
MRS.M. The divergence indicator is no guessing.
Oh, no. That divergence is not guessing. Hell no. That divergence is going to get you some money now. Crypto glue. All right. Crypto glue. The glue staying together. Stick together.
At Gabby Honest Abe, treat M right is the alternative.
All right, anybody got any questions? We got about one more. We got one more song. Y'all gonna ask some questions. Y'all want to learn about trade? Know a little something about trading? Caught that gold trade? Let's look at gold doing.
Be like here. Take this 350K for $5. Here's 1 mil for 2 cents.
Hey, Lilu be getting y'all in there, don't they? Lilu trying to get y'all money for real. Yeah, right now,
Quick 10 on gold.
gold didn't really do anything to where I would take a trade. Like, I didn't see any good trades in gold. That's why I wasn't over on gold. Oh, I forgot all about that song.
At Gabby Honest Abe, I can't buy no more EMA past these evals first. My gold chart looking choppy. How do I fix that?
Change the date to 02/26. Change your gold to 02/26. Well, I don't have R. Kelly, but I do have Joe. All the things. This is my jam too. This came out when I was in Panama, if I'm not mistaken. I want to say I was in Panama when this came out. I know I was too young to be singing this song.
At Davida Simone, I'm Neon. I would love to say that until they be like, hey Pa, for $25.
Yeah, this song came out in '97. I was definitely way too young to be singing this song.
You too young for this. I am 44. This is for the old heads.
I'm 44. This still too old. I'm still too young for that. 97, I was 15, 16 years old. Why was I singing this song? Why was I playing this song at all?
Lol.
I should not have been singing this song to any females.
Not yet too young lol. It's still only giving me the 12/25 GC option.
Oh, yeah, you got to update your contracts. Hold on, I can show you how to do it.
I knew it. 0.43, it's the same jam.
All right, over here, all you do is go to Tools and go to Database Management. It should tell you to roll over right here. You just click this roll over button, okay? Just click this roll over button and it'll pop, all the stuff will pop up right here. Click roll over and it will roll everything over to the new dates. All right. Go to Tools, Database Management, roll over. Red Rover. Send it right on over. All the things I'll do for you.
Joe cheap to sing at a wedding, that's why I got a hit with trading. Thanks a bunch.
Yeah, Don't Be a Player soundtrack. I knew it. Yep, Don't Be a Player soundtrack. All right, cool. Got it all switched over now. He said, I knew it, 43, same jams. Yeah, I be jamming. But mind you, if you're in your 40s, when this song came out, you were a teenager. Why were you listening to all the things that I won't do for you? As soon as you start, you can't stop? What? Why are we 15 knowing this song at all? I mean, I was like 13 listening to 12 play. Why? Why was I 13 years old listening to R. Kelly 12 play?
I am younger than y'all, but these still my jams.
Oh yeah, I love them.
I know WW just like R. Kelly. I just let Joe sing to the girls.
Yeah, hey look, I was 13 listening to 12 play. That's what I'm saying.
They hooked us up. R. Kelly just can't listen. In middle school, listening to 12 play.
It's crazy. Ain't it? It's crazy.
Because you got to keep changing the chart and then switching it back just to get it to move right.
I got tired of ninjatrader because you gotta keep why you gotta keep changing the chart, Gabe? What you mean you gotta keep changing the chart? Light 1,000 candles.
At Rashonda 45.
Show me to the subway, I'll go down. I don't even think I knew what that meant at 15. Like, is he going to the subway because he got to go to her house? What is he going down to the subway for? what the hell going on here? Show me to the subway. He said, show me to the subway, I'll go down. What? Why was I singing that not knowing what the hell I was talking about? I don't know. At 16, I probably didn't know what he was talking about, to be honest with you. Now that I think about it, probably didn't know what he was talking about. Panama was a wild time, boy. Panama was a wild time. Uh-oh, gold. Gold bounced nice off that little drop right here. Nice little bounce there. Came back down. I won't stop it here until I hear your mama scream. Why they have the little scream there? He said, I won't stop it till I hear your mama scream. He said, ow. They stupid. I won't stop until I hear your mama scream.
Fully connect for 6 days to NT. Finally got fixed today.
Yeah. Bullinock's been tripping. Rhythmic actually been tripping the past couple days. Yeah, NinjaTrader was tripping. I'm not NinjaTrader, but Rhythmic was tripping for the past couple days. That's why I was trading. I was only trading my Rhythmic accounts. I mean, I was only trading my Tradeovate accounts because Rhythmic was acting up. Like last week, yeah, it was just tripping. Cause like my TradeEvade account was working just fine, but then when I logged into my Bullinox and my Lilu, which is under Rhythmic, it was acting up. So I didn't trade Rhythmic most of last week. All the things I doing for you, girl. So yeah, that is it. I am not gonna listen to Jesse Powell, even though I like this song too. I'll be here all night. I'll be here all night if I just stayed here because I like the music, because these playlists be jamming. But yeah, Jesse Powell is next you, but I will not be here. So I'll be back, guys, about 8:30 in the morning. Call a couple trades, get some money with y'all. But I will see you guys in the morning. Remember, if you want to be a student, my course is right here. If you don't want to be a student, come on and join us twice a day anyway. We be here chilling, all right? See you guys later. Thanks for being here. No Jesse